After the start to the day, I think a lot of us needed the end to the day like that.
Absolutely. We kind of started this week off with a bang. We had the wind in down east Maine, all the rain combined with the snow melt today, so just kind of a lot of moisture today. But for the rest of the week, there's not really going to be too much to talk about. We've got plenty of sunshine in the forecast, but I'll get to that in a moment. First, I kind of want to do just a recap of the storm that we saw last night into today. So here's some of our rainfall totals. East Surrey got 5 inches of rain, almost 4 inches in Belgrade. Even Portland got about 2.5 inches. So most of the city saw at least 2 inches of rain, and in some areas combined with snow melt saw even more. So that did cause some localized flooding in some areas, especially when the highest rainfall totals overlapped with that snow melt. Now, something we were also watching this system with was the chance for some higher wind gusts. Now, as we went over the weekend, the system shifted farther and farther east, which brought the highest wind gusts more out to sea. But we did still see some high wind gusts in down east Maine, 53 miles per hour to gust in Bar Harbor, 46 miles per hour in Calais, but most of us saw between 20 and 30 miles per hour gusts. So that did cause some power outages, but this didn't end up being a more widespread wind event that we were worried about when we were forecasting earlier in the week. Now, at this point, the radar has calmed down, and this is what it's going to look like for most of the week. High pressure is going to be settled in for the most part. We don't have much to look at in terms of precipitation. So overnight low temperatures up in the mountains in the teens, otherwise in the 20s. Our normal low for this time of year is 24. So this is about an average night for this time of year, but overall as a whole this month, December has been a bit on the chilly side, and we're definitely going to feel that as we go over the next couple of days. Now, something that you're going to notice is that the hour by hour is going to look almost the same as we go through each day, with only a little bit of exceptions. As we go throughout the day tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, about average for this time of year, upper 30s to lower 20s. And then a little cold front is going to move through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. A couple of snow showers possible with this, but pretty scattered in nature. And the only thing we're really going to notice with this cold front is the fact that it's going to drastically change our temperatures. We're going to go from high temperatures in the 30s to a lot of high temperatures in the 20s, especially on Thursday. I think Thursday is really going to be the coldest day of the week, especially overnight in the single digits, otherwise in the teens. And as we get throughout the day on Thursday, most, if not all of us, are going to remain below freezing. So you're definitely going to want to bundle up. But there is going to be plenty of sunshine throughout the week. High pressure in control, except for that little cold front moving through. So overall, going to see plenty of sunshine. Just going to want to bundle up for it. So here's our cold stretch again. Average high is 40 degrees. So for the next couple of days, especially on Thursday, like I mentioned, temperatures below average for this time of year. But then a warm front is going to move through on Friday. That's going to bring our temperatures to a bit closer to average for this time of year. So not super much on the warm side, but it is going to feel a little bit more comfortable out there. So for our marine forecast, sea is a little bit high, especially in the down east area. So we do have a small craft advisory in effect until Tuesday at 7 p.m. So for our 7-day forecast, we've got a lot of sunshine icons on the 7-day. A little bit chilly out there over the next couple of days. Coldest day going to be on Thursday. We do have the snowflake icon for there on Wednesday, and that's for a couple of those snow showers moving through in the early morning with that cold front, but very scattered in nature. And then the next chance of precipitation that we're watching, Zach, isn't until Monday. So we've got a pretty boring stretch of weather coming up. But after we started off the week with a bang, I think we'll enjoy it.
Yeah, that we will, Dana. Thanks so much.